Hello. So the potato rolls are ready and they look delicious and smell amazing. And I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit. Today I'm making a side dish that is made with potatoes. It's potato rolls and speck. We need the potatoes. I'm using Parmigiano Reggiano. You can use any kind. I'm using speck, which is prosciutto, and mozzarella cheese, and 2 eggs. So now the potatoes are mashed. I'm just gonna add 2 eggs to the mixture. And the Parmigiano Reggiano. It's whatever you have, right? And just give it a good mix. So now I'm preparing the potato rolls. So I'm giving them a form like that. Open it in the middle so we can hide any kind of cheese you want to, like I'm using mozzarella cheese, and hide it inside. Roll it up like that, and then use the speck of the prosciutto to roll it up. And we put it in the pan just like that. And so we continue with the other ones the same. So now I'm adding a little bit of olive oil. And then I'm gonna bake this, a little bit of black pepper. And I'm gonna bake this at 390 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Stay tuned.